Hi! We are making a super delicious and easy hominy heirloom bean salad today. This is the Becky Blanca hominy from Corn Mafia. This is so special. This is a great landrace corn that has been nixtamalized using wood ash, which is a very traditional way of nixtamalizing corn, which makes it much more nutritious. It also softens the corn. It's really wonderful, very special ingredient. And if you have never cooked with dry hominy before, you're in for a real treat. You may have seen hominy in a can in the grocery store, but today we're going to be using a dry hominy, which is much more special. So dry hominy is treated just like dry beans. You're going to soak it overnight, and then you're gonna cook it just like you would beans on the stove. So now let's assemble our salad. So I'm gonna start with my beans, about 1.5 cups of beans that have been previously cooked and drained and rinsed. Then about the same of my hominy that again, previously cooked and rinsed and drained. Then I'm gonna put in about 1 cup of cherry tomatoes that have been halved or quartered depending on the size of them, and about 1 cup of the bell peppers. I've chosen a pretty orange color, but you could choose any color that you would like. It doesn't really matter. Just whatever's going to look pretty in your salad. And then about 1/2 cup of very finely diced Bermuda onion, because I don't really want it to be too oniony, but you want that nice bite of Bermuda onion. Then we're going to put in about 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro. Okay, all of those are in my bowl. Now I'm just going to quickly whisk together my dressing. I'm going to do about 2 tablespoons of lime juice, fresh squeezed. A little bit of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon. And we're going to put in our cumin, about 1/2 teaspoon. And then olive oil, about a tablespoon or so of that. A little bit more. There we go. Because this is almost like a marinade more than a salad dressing. Okay, now all we have to do is combine those two things. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for a minimum of an hour, but honestly, it's better the next day. After it has been refrigerated, we're just going to plate it, and voila, we have a beautiful salad ready to go. It's so beautiful and delicious. I can't even believe. That is delicious. That hominy is so much better than anything you'd find in a can. This salad is going to be great all summer long. So if you have liked this, please click the like button. Don't forget the recipes in the comments below, and please subscribe. Thank you. Bon appetit. Today we're working with Becky Blanca hominy.